If you want to make this, it's called Worm in the Dirt. Yeah. If you want to make this, it's called Worm in the Dirt. So this is how it would look whenever you're finished eating. And mostly, I don't really like that much pudding in a day or two. We just call it worm dessert because it kind of rhymes, but it's actually called worm in the dirt. So we're gonna be cooking in the kitchen, and we're gonna be making a worm treat. So what you need is some crushed Oreos, and you need some gummy worms, some pudding, and what you need to do is crush up the Oreos, and you need just plain Oreos. So take you cover the worm, put some OREO cookies, and then put some more chocolate pudding in. I thought that wasn't yours. Okay. No. Some more Oreos in until it's all the way half full. Keep doing this one, pudding in. We must sleep. And then we pooping in the diaper. Pooping in the diaper. And we make it poop up. And I did make a mess. See, wait there. Look at your hands look like this. There. Now what you make it look fun. We're having lots of fun. My hands are getting all messy with pudding again. But okay, now having fun is what I have to wish. Stop putting the cookies, okay? One's alive. It's starting to get alive, although. But we better put them in so we can eat them. Put a green one and yellow one in, like so. Let's put the next one. Now you can. Give me one. Yeah. This doesn't like pooping. This doesn't like it. But yeah, so let's just start eating. This is good. Ow! Let's try it. This is like the best day ever. Now we're eating the crushed Oreos and the chocolate pudding. Hopefully we eat the whole cup because we don't like to waste. So let's just try. Let's just see how it tastes. It's not that good for you and it's not that healthy. So as OREO cookies, we just made it to show you guys and for a treat after dinner. So that's what we did, and we'll see you on our next video.